guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Friday and I am super excited about it. Not that I have too much planned today anyway, but for us, our weekly cleaning checklist on Friday, I sweep and mop all my floors and I wash all our bed linen. That give us that extra freshness right here at the end of the week. You start off with fresh sheets. You start off with some fresh clean floors. Although we just mop and swept the floors Wednesday, it just tidy up things a little bit. So I hope you guys sit back and enjoy this video.
No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, you're still stuck on my mind. You won't go away. It's like you are a part of me. The mansion in my dreams. Now you won't be there, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. And now I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah. All these memories that we've made won't fade away for a while. You said you don't mind, that you'll be just fine. No room for second chances. Hey, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. We won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, baby, yeah. I got all you need. I got all you need, say. Oh, we won't waste any more time, yeah.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't,
This may seem like the craziest thing, but when I mop my floors, I'm pretty sure you guys have noticed it. My water has steam coming from it. That is because I like to use hot boiling water to wash my floors. I just feel like it gives it that extra, I don't know, I just like it. So that's why when you see me mop floors, the water is like piping hot, steam coming from it. And that is because I do boil my water. But as you can see, I use the Osita mop, and with that, you know, you never have to touch the mop to wring it out. So that's even better. So the hotter the water, the better it is for me.
I'm me back. It's been 3 days, stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. Yeah, I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, I ran away from heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover. Nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So then you came around and you played it cool, but I shut it down. So you took it to and I'm not surprised by what I found, because I know I needed something different, and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen, and it had to be you. Out of all the people to reply my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. I didn't seem to notice that you were checking for me. We were just friends.
Well, you have came down to the end of this video. It was really short, you guys. Shorter than some of the other ones that we had this week. And that is because we are winding down our cleaning to nothing, to the final day, which is Sunday. I can't wait till Sunday get here so I can show you guys what I do on Sundays. Okay? But anyways, thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys haven't seen Monday through Thursday, make sure you go check Monday through Thursday video out. Comment below and tell me what you think on the either video or all videos. And to my subscribers out there, I love you guys dearly. I truly do. And to the ones that is new to my channel that's not yet a subscriber, and I said yes because I want you guys to go hit that subscribe button, and I also want you to turn your notification on. That way you won't miss an upload coming from me. So with that being said, I love you guys. Until the next time, until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.